is Easter. Happy Easter. Hope you all had a wonderful Easter day, and hope we are celebrating the true meaning of Easter and the historical events behind Easter and what that means to each and every one of us. So today I am going to make my usual ginger tonic. As you all know, especially those of you that have been following me, you know I love ginger. So I'm going to make a quick ginger tonic, and just 3 simple, easy ingredients for this recipe, and that's ginger, water, and sweetener. So you can use honey, sugar, but I prefer to stick with non-sugar sweeteners. So I use sweeteners, regular sweeteners like your organic stevia and so on. So I am going to be making ginger tonic, and if you look up the benefits of ginger, ginger is very medicinal, nutritious as well. It contains a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. It is good for bloating. It is good for any inflamed well, not any, but most inflamed related issues in the body. And of course, look it up. Google is our best friend, so you can look up different websites and read up the benefits of ginger. But I know for myself personally, ginger is very helpful, especially this past winter. Ginger was helpful in so many ways for cold, allergies, and just make a hot cup of ginger based drink. So nothing flavored, not flavored ginger. That's not enough amount of ginger to help with, to actually make an impact, because a lot of these mild ginger juice, ginger based candies, ginger, candies, ginger, sweeteners, ginger juice, all of that has just ginger flavor. And if at all, any ginger, it has just a small percentage of fresh ginger. So you can't go wrong when you actually use fresh ginger. Fresh ginger. And I remember growing up, my mom would put ginger in a lot of our meals, and we hated it, not knowing, the benefits of ginger outweighs, the taste. So ginger is flavorful when used in small quantities, but when you drink a lot of it, you get that bite in your throat. So that, I wouldn't say pungent, but just it has that spicy aftertaste and feeling. But ginger is great. Like literally, I can go on and on about how ginger has helped me. Even when it's cold outside, like I said, fresh ginger in your tea, and you're good to go. So you can't go wrong with fresh ginger. So when this tonic, I'm calling it a tonic, just because it's going to be, I'm going to have a whole lot of ginger in it. So the concentration of ginger is going to be high, and I pour that in my tea or mix it with juice, or I drink it just a little cup in the evening, and I tell you, my tummy feels great in the morning, the following day, and it feels great, like almost as if anything you had the day before, if you finish eating and you get feel bloated or gassed or whatever, the ginger helps everything. At least for me, I'm saying it based on my experience. So yes, without further ado, I'm gonna peel. Let me show you the amounts of ginger I will be using. And I got this ginger for a very good price at my favorite Chinese market. Check my other old videos. You see where I shopped at the Chinese market, and it comes at a very good price. Ginger itself, it can be quite expensive in your regular grocery stores if you're living in the US or Europe, but if you can get this in international markets, it is cheaper. So here I got a whole basket of it from my Chinese market, and I tell you, I didn't even pay more than $5. About $5-6 for all of this. Isn't that awesome? So I'm going to be using about this amount. I'll peel it and have it ready to go in our juicer. You can use a blender. I choose not to use blender because I already have my juicer out and ready. But I'm going to add water. Typically, juicers, you just juice your fruits and veggies, but ginger doesn't have too much fluid in it, as opposed to when you're blending, you pour water to help blend the ginger. So I'm going to add water to the juicer and blend or juice the ginger. Okay guys, I have my ginger peeled and ready to be juiced. Or remember, you can use a blender. The only thing with that is after blending, you can strain it and get the clear pulp-free tonic. It's tonic. I'm calling it tonic because it's concentrated amounts of ginger. So I am going to be using the ginger now. I've peeled the ginger. See what we have left out of that whole basket. So I peeled the ginger and I have clean bottled water that I'll be using, a cup to serve. We have some ice and strawberries just to garnish our drink, so to speak, just to make things look pretty. But remember, the ingredients are only 3. The main ingredients for the tonic is ginger, water, and sweetener. And here is a sweetener I like to use. It's the green bottle wholesome organic blue agave sweetener. It is, I love this sweetener because you don't get that alternative sugar taste. If you notice, all these diet drinks, a lot of the diet sodas, not every one of them, but a lot of them, and also these sweeteners, you get that almost like a weird alternative sugar taste that ruins your tea. It has a different flavor. It tastes nothing like pure honey or just sugar. So alternatively, this is also an alternative sugars, which is a sweetener, is the organic blue agave, and it's from a plant, agave plant. So I love to use this. It's almost like, imagine the taste like pure honey. You don't get that honey, like honey bee taste, but it's just pure honey. So it's just sweet. You don't get the alternative taste of a sweetener, and it's not as concentrated as honey. So I prefer to use this. Let's see how much, see the ingredients, or the contents rather. And as you can see there, 60 calories. So I'm going to use a little bit of this, and just a little goes a long way. So this is what I use. I've put it in my jug, ready to go. I've put some in here, and this is where I'm going to add my tonic and put it in the fridge. So let's get started, shall we? So let's see. Okay guys, I have now switched over to my blender, my smoothie blender, so you can see how blending looks as opposed to a juicer. So and to be honest, a blender is a little bit quicker for this tonic. So here it is. I have some of the pulp from our previous run, and then the rest of the ginger. So I'm just going to blend away. That should be good. And we are ready. Let me open it. All this is ginger, guys. All ginger. So we're passing through a strainer so we don't get the pulp, but everything is nutritious and medicinal. So we're gonna let that pass through and use a spatula to gradually pass that through. So I'm gonna continue and I'll see you soon. Okay, here it is. We're all done, guys, and this is all the ginger juice or ginger tonic. It's concentrated. You can see how yellow. I wish you could see the color. The light doesn't do justice to this, but it's really rich yellow. So it's a tonic. You just take a little bit at a time. Maybe fill your cup with ice or put enough ice in your cup, and that's what we're going to do. But before that, let's stir. You know, I put sweetener earlier at the bottom, so let's stir to make sure everything is all stirred up. Stir that properly. I'm just using a spatula, a clean spatula that I've been using for this process. You stir it well, and all that's here is just ginger, pure ginger and water. Imagine if you were just taking ginger flavored items just to get ginger, you won't be getting anything really, because it just has a small percentage of maybe a little bit of fresh flavored ginger, or some of those ginger drinks you end up getting a whole lot of sugar in your system. So this is all fresh ginger, and it's concentrated, so it's a little bit at a time. But I love to have this, like literally, if I have any cold, any sore throat, bloating, anything like that, nausea, just anything from, you know, your everyday, day-to-day environmental, I guess, effects, you know, you can have just a glass of ginger. Some people, you can mix it with orange juice, or I just like to have it like this, or a little bit in my tea, or at night, just pour some ice in a glass like I'm going to do now. But just for you guys, I'm going to add an extra step, which is fresh strawberries. So we're going to add some strawberries first into our cup. Put some fresh strawberries into the glass cup just to make it look pretty, and also you have something to chew on at the end of your drink or tonic. So we're gonna put that much of strawberry, and then put some ice, and the ice helps keep the strawberry at the bottom, just for that added color and effect. So you have the strawberry at the bottom, you have the ice, and now we're gonna pour our tonic. So that's good enough, guys. So look at, we have the strawberry at the bottom because the ice is keeping the strawberry at the bottom. And then we have our tonic ready to go. It's tasty, so let's just stir everything. Oh guys, look at that. Look at that, guys. Ginger tonic. And let me have a taste. Oh wow. It is strong, but refreshing at the same time. So guys, thanks for watching again. And again, if you've watched up to this point and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. I'll cover the top, put it in the refrigerator, and have it over time. And ooh, I love when I have ginger. So if you love this, you can also try it. Get some fresh ginger water, blend it, strain it, sweeten it, and you're good to go. Blend, strain, sweetener. Add sweetener. So blend, strain, well, of course you blend with water. So blend with water, strain it, add sweetener. That's it. That's it. It's as simple as that. It is yellow, actually yellow, not white. It is yellow. The real color off camera is dark yellow. And that's what it should be like. It's not transparent, it's not cloudy, see, it's thick, opaque, you can't see through it. And that's what we want because it's concentrated. Okay guys, I'm gonna have the rest of my tonic, and as always, if you've watched to this point, subscribe, like, show me some love, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel so that I can be posting more videos for you and you can be notified when I post videos. So press that bell as well down below, and I hope you enjoyed your Easter. My day is ending shortly, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, have a wonderful day.